TAKEOVER. You know what I'm saying? I got my car on the trailer, of course. Me and about 3 buddies of mine heading over there to have some fun to turn up. Got my nephews and family with me. Yep. So it's gonna be fun. I'll get back with you guys in about an hour. Sorry to interrupt y'all. I know y'all from YouTube. I ain't want to put a camera in your face. I watch you a lot. I'm trying to learn how to paint.
You don't know me.
You too. I started watching you in January.
Yeah. You what?
I started watching you in January because I bought a Fox in January. Okay. So I just started looking at a bunch of Fox stuff.
You got it here? Man.
No, I didn't bring it. It's probably now, but I got my S550 over there though.
Okay, which one?
Yeah. Oh, the 19, the VMP Supercharged one down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, sir. Porta potties?
On the back right here. Dude, I watch you a lot. Nice to meet you, man. I'm Morris, by the way, man.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Evil Horse on YouTube.
Evil Horse? Nice to meet you, man.
Yep.
Nice. You said it was a VMP car?
Yeah, that white car down there with the real light.
Nice. I'm going to check you out, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I'll be, king up on the dyno a little bit.
Okay.
We gotta wait a minute, too.
Okay.
Are you next on the drink?
Who next? I don't know. I think they. I don't know. They doing NA
real good. I don't know. He just said somebody got a
okay, he going back. Yeah, this is Blue Oval's car. Check out Blue Oval on YouTube. Look at his terminal swap notch. Look at that. This car is flawless, man. Look at the interior. Oh my God. Look at that. Clean build. That's his Instagram.
But you felt like you think it should.
Alright, y'all, we got my boy Dylan up here. Overjet. S550. Oh, you got my favorite NA bus. I gotta give you the handshake. You got my favorite NA car. That one. That's impressive. Bro, that was impressive. Dude, I did not. That shit.
I wouldn't expect that either.
Good job to my boy Dylan car put on the show.
My exorcist over there too.
boy Monte over there, senior APR. Paxton car. Now leave me alone. Let y'all meet my tuner, the guy who gave me the sauce here. Winger, y'all go see Winger. Y'all, this my tuner right here. You know, it's on my YouTube channel.
It's me.
Yep. There's a guy
who
who
gave me the slow car.
Huh?
The slow car that's been gapping everybody. That's been gapping everybody. Morris next, he might get gapped.
Yeah. Think so.
But I'll take it back, because what you just made of DYNO.
Why you got green Kool-Aid on here? What's that for?
That's the second radiator to help keep it cool. That's all, to keep the motor cool. Yeah. VMP, 26.9 throttle body, ice tank, long tube, coarse long tube headers.
What's this? This 18 wheeler intake, ain't it?
Yeah. Damn near ain't it? Trying to go bigger.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I would've been right there with you, man, but you know stuff.
Yeah, stuff happens, but you gonna bounce back, bro. 550. Look at that, another Winger car. Hey, I love this orange. Boosted 931. Toyota swap. Mach 1. F-150. Clean, they have a VMP on it. They got the VMP on it. And it's tucked in there perfectly. Look at this thing. Does anybody want to trade my VMP car for their F-150 like that? Short bed, man. Shoot me an email. Oh, Vortex, okay. Hey, what's going on? What y'all doing? What's up, guys? Y'all alright? Are y'all enjoying everything? Yeah. What y'all car? Y'all bought it?
We out there in the back.
Oh, out in the back? Okay. It's good seeing y'all. I'm out here trying to
We'll be around there.
Okay. We got heading back up the hill over there?
Yeah, probably so.
Okay.
Oh, we just ride down from where your car was.
Oh, okay. I'll circle back around and come back up. Oh my God, check this out. Check this out. Thunderbird with a Gen 1 Toyota swap in it, and it sounds good. Stick shift car at that. Look at that finish. Y'all doing? It sounds good too, man. Yeah. Let's go. classic here. How y'all doing? The other side here. Okay, guys, it's packed. Tomorrow is gonna be the main day. Look at this. He's gonna get it better than this. Look at this thing. That's a whip, a Gen 5 whip on Coyote swap.
Looking for you.
It's crazy. That's slick. I like it. I really like it. Look at those wheels. That is slick, man. I like that. And you know he's not playing the game. He ain't got a parachute in the back. Yeah, no game. Yeah, big boy, snail on the hood.
No other car smells like this one on the inside.
What's up, guys? You see, I got my HPR shirt on, so you guys check out Ken Hillard, Speed Addict 731, my tuner, Winger. Shout out to Foxcast, Mr. Foxcast Media. Check him out. I'm shouting at everybody, man. I had a good time today. Tomorrow's gonna be way better. We gonna hit the track tomorrow. Yeah, man, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and get me some rest. Yeah, you guys subscribe to the channel. Follow my TikTok, Instagram, Evil Horse, EVOL_horse for my Instagram, and just EVOL horse for my TikTok. All right, guys, peace out. Thanks for the support.
Project that don't give a fuck.